Hey there, so you've recently gone through a breakup, huh? It's tough, we get it. Breakups can feel like a roller coaster of emotions, leaving you feeling lost and uncertain about what's next. But guess what? We're here to help you navigate through this challenging time and find a way to move on, even if you don't initially feel ready for it. 8. Accepting the reality. All right, first things first. It's time to face the music and accept that the relationship has come to an end. I know it's hard to let go of the memories and the hope for a future together, but acknowledging the reality is a crucial step towards healing. You gotta confront the fact that it's over and find closure in your own way. Trust me, it'll help you move forward with a clearer mind. 7. Processing emotions. Breakups are messy and they stir up a whole bunch of emotions. It's essential to give yourself the space to feel and process these emotions. Cry if you need to, scream into a pillow, do whatever helps you let it out. Don't underestimate the power of putting pen to paper. Grab a journal and pour your heart out. It's like therapy, but without the hefty price tag. And hey, if things get overwhelming, consider reaching out to a professional who can provide some guidance. You don't have to go through this alone. 6. Focusing on self-care. All right, let's shift our focus to taking care of numero uno. That's you. Self-care is crucial during this time. Get those endorphins pumping with some physical activities. It could be hitting the gym, going for a run, or even dancing like nobody's watching in your living room. Embrace mindfulness and take some time for self-reflection. Connect with your inner self, understand your needs, and give yourself permission to heal. And don't forget to do things that make you happy. Whether it's cranking up your favorite tunes, picking up a paintbrush, or going for a peaceful nature walk, do whatever brings you joy. 5. Rebuilding a support system. You know what they say, no one is an island. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of friends and family is key to moving on. Reach out to your loved ones, share your feelings, and let them be there for you. They'll provide comfort, understanding, and a shoulder to lean on. And hey, don't forget about support groups or communities. Connecting with others who have experienced similar heartbreak can be incredibly empowering. Sharing your journey with people who truly get it makes a world of difference. 4. Rediscovering personal identity. Breakups often leave us feeling like we've lost a part of ourselves, and now it's time to rediscover your awesome self. Revisit those hobbies and interests you may have put on the back burner during the relationship. Dive into what brings you joy and makes you feel alive. And hey, why not try something new? Explore uncharted territories, find new passions, and set goals for personal growth. This is your chance to shine and embrace the things that make you uniquely you. 3. Letting go of resentment and forgiving. Holding onto resentment and anger towards your ex won't do you any good. It's time to let go and forgive. Not for them, but for yourself. Forgiveness isn't about condoning or forgetting what happened, but about freeing yourself from the negative emotions that weigh you down. Cultivate empathy and compassion both for yourself and your ex. Remember, we're all imperfect beings. By releasing that resentment, you're paving the way for inner peace and a brighter future. 2. Avoiding unhealthy coping mechanisms. Okay, here's the deal. Breakups can push us to do some pretty crazy things, but it's crucial to be aware of unhealthy coping mechanisms. Let's steer clear of excessive alcohol or substance use, emotional isolation, or any revenge-seeking behaviors. Yeah, they might give you temporary relief, but they'll only hinder your long-term healing and growth. Instead, focus on building healthy habits. Take care of your body with good food, restful sleep, and relaxation techniques. Oh, and remember to give yourself some space from your ex. Creating emotional distance will help you move forward. 1. Embracing the future. All right, it's time to look ahead and embrace the future. It might feel daunting, but trust me, brighter days are on the horizon. Cultivate a positive mindset, my friend. Believe in the possibilities that lie ahead. Be open to new experiences, new relationships, and new adventures. And hey, remember that healing takes time. Patience is key. Embrace this journey of healing and growth, knowing that with each step, you're gaining strength and resilience. Congratulations! You've made it through the guide on how to move on from a breakup, even when you don't want to. Remember, it won't be easy, but it's totally doable. Accept the reality, process your emotions, focus on self-care. Rebuild your support system, rediscover your awesome self. Let go of resentment, avoid those unhealthy coping mechanisms, and embrace the future with open arms. You've got this. Keep moving forward and know that a brighter and happier chapter awaits you.